And a Parkridge freestanding emergency room is coming to a rural part of Hamilton County next year.
For our friends who live in Soddy Daisy and beyond, you'll no longer have to drive or be taken to Red Bank or Hickson for help when time is of the essence. Dallas Payton has this story.
By the end of the spring next year, there will be a new state-of-the-art emergency room right here in this open field. It'll create quicker healthcare access to Soddy Daisy and Sale Creek community members. Construction for the 13,000 square foot freestanding emergency room is expected to start in the next 2 months. Chris Cosby, the CEO for Parkridge Health System, says the facility will provide 24/7 adult and pediatric emergency care.
We will have 12 ER beds here. We'll have a helipad. We'll have licensed, board-certified ER physicians as well as ER trained staff right here on this location to help North Hamilton County as well as the Soddy Daisy residents.
Depending on what part of Soddy Daisy residents stay in, the closest hospital is at least 11 miles away, and in Sale Creek, the closest hospital is at least 22 miles away.
Instead of having to go 14, 15 miles down the road to get to the closest one, it's now in your backyard. Another piece to note is that the EMS trucks, the ambulances, are now going to be able to get here, get a patient to where they need to be and get back in the county in case there's another emergency.
Soddy Daisy Mayor Steve Everett says this immediately addresses a long time and overdue problem in the community.
Being a former first responder, 20 years in law enforcement, when people were having an emergency, seconds count, not just minutes. And although we have great facilities in Hickson and in Red Bank, it just takes time to get there, especially with the growth that we're seeing in the county and the congestion. So we're hoping that this facility, we know it's going to be instrumental in saving people's lives.
Mayor Everett says the community support has been unbelievable. During the approval process to get the emergency room, many community members went up to a meeting in Nashville.
We had so many folks go up there and speak on behalf of Parkridge and the need of the north end of the county and this city, and the fact that it's only going to, that need's only going to increase with the growth. So it's been very exciting, and there's been a lot of buzz around it.
For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.